Mm, Good morning, guys. I'll be doing a vlog today. Yenzi vlog after a long time of not doing a vlog, but today deciding to do it. Good morning. Good morning.
Line in.
Korko, come Zulu. Ha, siyavloga namhlanje. Ha, siyavloga namhlanje. Siyavlog. Sanibonani. Ninjani? Siyaphila. Siyavloga namhlanje. Guys, ngiyavloga namhlanje. Abantu bamangele. Ngiyavloga. I'm vlogging. Right, guys? Okay, siyabona. Ngiyayenza. Right. So guys, we'll be doing a little vlog today. Yeah, just a mini vlog. Yes. We did that against the vlog. I think the last time I used the vlog it was 2024. Yeah. So I think I'll start doing vlogs again. Yeah. So this thing is so creepy. Like, get the more vlog. But yeah. So now I'm just making a breakfast. Then after that, okay, and then later on for him. Yeah. So guys, after everything, decided to get balls. Go to Ike. Yeah, to report. We are July 12. So it must be 88 rand. So decided no. Let me just take a car once. But being a full driver on such a I wanted to do things differently. But I can't. Because, well, you have to report. So I have to drive. Things about 88 rand. Usually, no, I'm 32, 35. Man. So I think he gets to change them. I want. Tas tinggal. Ciao. Athi sami sodlala nabanye abantwana ke. Yeah, sodlala nabanye abantwana. Siboneke. Sami sodlala nabanye abantwana. Yes, our kids. Okay. Safety first. What's happening? Yes. So sahamba sodlala nabanye abantwana. Sobona ukuthi sikhiphane kushwala. Asiqhubeke ngayo later. First location. Okay, wait. Oh. Hey, la kulo muzi azazi ngabantu nje. Coco. Coco, saan mo nan? Dumelang. Ninjan. No, it's a nice thing. Plasil. Ah, guys, this is my brother. This is my brother, Cabello. Oh, please. Afuna vela kuleyo. Yo, usala izovela mos at the end of the day. Kaka. Sanibonani. Ninjani? Hayi no angingeze nginiveze kuzoniveza amasimi kahle. Ublomu. Oh. Hawu kaza.
Yebo.
Wangafuna ukuvela kulo. Oh, nibe right ne. Oh. Oh, okay. All right. Kamu boy. Kunjani baba? Look at this guy. Look at this dude.
Let's be a vlogger.
First. Look at this dude. How are you, baba?
I am good in yourself, sir.
I'm vlogging, bro.
Yeah, born. I vlog.
Yeah, with 4K, eh?
Very,
4K, like quality.
very 4K
Yes, a good space.
It's 10 minutes, 1 gig. Yeah, true.
Ngahlala ngenze ukuthi be 4K kodwa bathini what per rate ingonje
Yes. I shall see this pixel.
FPS don't
Yeah.
ukuthi inga yenze kakhulu. Why was I saying this pixel? What happened? Dead.
No, it's not it, but
What?
yeah, it's 100 to 0. Just 2 hours.
Oh, it's dead. Lufana naleli. No, as in again, ngafuna ngitshela ukuthi inking it's that Android thing. Yes, mina I deactivated it ngoba bese ngibona ukuthi bethu lami ngathi seliyadela. Ngabuyela ku original version. So yaba right. I restarta yonke into abasha. So, eh? Nah, bekumele ngene but ngizongena kusasa. Umuntu la enze kubhizi nje la endlini. Kubhizi. On and off. Ngicela ngiphethe ikhena ngazi ngokuphethe. Family fight.
Mbaya. Sakuna family fight.
Family fight. Family fight. Yeah. Now I'm bed. It's cold. Only me post on YouTube, yeah. My YouTube channel. Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. Yes. Guys, it's a family fight over chips
Nice.
and cold drinks and a cake.
No, actually, not a family fight. You say, but I think of it as just a misunderstanding of people.
Yeah.
As understanding
Our peanuts.
our personality. It's fine, guys. It's fine. Young
Oh, come back, my guy.
Yes, it is just a minor difference between personalities. So yeah, our words cannot commune into the right.
Oh, you're looking at scoop and pan. Oh, what is it?
No, see, I was still contemplating on what I have to say.
Okay.
That's why I'm saying Skupanga.
Oh,
Great things take time. Those are my words. Word of gateway. Make things.
If ngilento le sithenga i-apple siphathe apple pay fake card lapha kuleya apple ya bese kubhadale ngejuice.
The next time see something.
Yeah.
Yes. Apple Pay. La post pay Apple juice.
Apple juice.
Yes, Apple Pay. But I don't juice. Man dies for you. Those who must attend again. Cash. Now also some good time. I say Apple Pay like it's the wrong one. So must be
What about the tricks?
Ish. So must be massing up. Okay. She's a good me after about 10 minutes.
Yeah, because
You have one look. Now, so we are getting about 10
I've been sure but
Yes.
let's be right little incorrect. Yeah, I want to
Kuna something manenzakalayo lana. Khona something enakala.
Kanti wena ufunani?
But somehow.
Kanti siyaku
Ay, sa patol.
wasamena.
Something is broken.
They would see fair.
Aw, nayilo nathi la.
There. Oh, this banana.
Nas. Acho que fudi wena. Oh. Não te fudi wena ba. This guy. What?
Deeper.
Ah, fez. That's the other one, fez. But was Cape Town. Oh.
Yeah, well, fat. Nobody, I don't have a draw.
Something mane.
O te papel, no sita.
Hey, Gooby, like I.
Minister of Finance, I can
I think I can dance. I think I can. Oh, it went.
already put you at them. I can mix.
Pakenzani mama? Oh, pakenzani? Khuluma nami, pakenzani nami? Bakubhatalisa.
What's up, Mama?
Hey, you being serious?
Okay.
Yung pala logo draw.
Oh,
Puti. I don't know what to do.
no, it's fine. I understand, boy.
Yo, nada.
Yeah? Nangazi why all along the Africa. Notice none.
We just finished making our weekly groceries.
Oh, sorry. Askis. Oh, hey. No, so too bad. That's too bad. Yeah.
I just finished making our weekly groceries.
Okay.
Yes, upgraded. So yeah. Next stop, I don't know.
Yeah. Hey, so fika suit. Lani yakhona, nofika nsuit. Nofika nsuit, lani yakhona.
You want overeat that? Put that pushing defensive mechanism.
Ingasuke phansi.
Just finished.
Yeah, yeah. Abantu basashaya nje kancane nje uqake ngo-20 sofike.
Ngithulena. Ngizona ukubaraka mthini. Nala ngizakhoza.
Yama.
Hey, okay, Victoria.
Basel full price.
Mau.
Haji.
Oh, akhirnya.
Nkare ya ngata go ntshwara. Ya ngata.
Na gona re wena o ka no ba botsa. Oh, ha o se gona.
O ntshitse
So,
di-doctor's churches.
ke kgole ga ntse ko mmerekong
O ntshitse di-doctor's churches.
bana ke kgole.
Askantsho nsilo. Hey, what's up, fam? We are at Emperor's Palace now. We are at Emperor's. We are going with the family, with the mom and the dad. Yes. We are, we are going out, guys. And the brother now is at the back now. Hey, this guy. What's up, Fana?
Yes, guys. We're currently in Empress Palace. We're here to have some dinner. So I'm very excited.
And you did not eat.
Yes, I fasted for this buffet, so yes. And we might actually go into the magic company for minor minutes. Then we can go and chow then. So yes. I'm very happy. I'm very happy. The last time I was here, guys, was when my dad used to work here.
Hey, what is happening?
Then he decided that no, you should follow his calling. No. So yes, guys. Last time I was here, I think it was primary or something.
So now you're an adult now, eh?
Now I went to school, so it's 7 years plus, 7 years plus. You know.
Yeah.
So yeah. No. Thank you for the opportunity.
Guys. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Look at this dude, guys. Hey, that time wasn't as serious. Yo. Sifunda nge-history manje. It's history. Like ngafika ngapha kule side.
Oh yes, I'm sorry. Then I do it. Now it's all about.
I'll be safe by email. In Paris. Hey guys, we are done for the day. For the vlog, for the day, for the done. And the samba no baba, yeah, okay. Our father. Artists in heaven.
Only FF.
But no, we are done for the day.
Aye.